Hello, my name is Eric Engelstad and I'm a product trainer for DocuSign University. Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to create and use task groups in DocuSign CLM. Task groups are work groups used exclusively to automate task assignments in workflows. For example, a legal team handling customer redlining of non-disclosure agreements. Let's dive straight into it. Once you are within the CLM admin settings, click on the Task Groups tab under User Management in the left panel, then click New Task Group. Enter a name for the task group that clearly represents the purpose of the group, for instance, legal. You can always add a description to provide more context. You can then choose an assignment pattern whereby Random will assign group tasks randomly to all task group members, or Round Robin, which assigns group tasks to members in the order the members exist in the list, top to bottom, or Least Used Resource, which assigns group tasks to the members with the fewest assigned tasks. You can also decide to send notifications of new or unassigned tasks to all members who can claim tasks, in which case notifications will be sent to all members who have the ad hoc pick task, can do user-based allocation, and put back in task group permissions, which we will see in a second. Or send notifications to task group owners only, or to no one. As an admin who's creating the task group, you will be automatically added as a member of this group. However, you can remove yourself from it if you wish by clicking on the red X. By clicking on Assign Users, you can add individual users or groups of users. If the users in the group should have all the same task management permissions, select to manage task permissions for the entire group. But if users in the group should have different task management permissions, select to manage task permissions for users in this group individually. You can then grant the following permissions to control how members handle task responsibilities. By default, CLM admins have all the permissions. Task Group Owner will allow to act as an admin of the task group. View Task Group allows to view all members in the task group. View Allocated Item allows to view the task item. Ad hoc Pick Task allows to claim a task that is assigned to the task group. Can do user-based allocation allows to reallocate a task to another member of the task group. Put back in task group allows to reassign tasks from a specific assignee back to the task group. And finally, Automatic Dispatch lets the workflow automatically assign tasks to this task group member. Once you have assigned the permissions, click on Save. As part of the lifecycle of a new contract that has just been generated, an approval task has been assigned to the legal group. Sally, who's a member of that legal group, has just received an email telling her that a contract is ready for review. She can click on the link to get straight to the task at hand. On the task page, we can see that the task has been assigned to the legal task group. Sally can go ahead and check this box, and eventually she could reassign the task to somebody else, as that was one of the permissions we gave her. Or she can click on the task name and go ahead and either approve or reject the contract. I'll go ahead and approve. And that's my task completed. And let me show you one more tip before we wrap things up. If you would like to allow someone in your team to work on somebody's task while they're absent, you can assign a manager to them by going to User Management, selecting the user, in this case I'll choose Sally, then by clicking on the people icon next to Manage By, you can select another user that either has a CLM user or CLM admin profile, who will from now on be able to take care of the tasks assigned to the original user. I can now see Sally Hampton's tasks and go ahead and click on the task and perform the task on her behalf. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thanks again for watching, everyone.